ragazzi, today we're gonna make this beautiful pistachio and shrimp and asparagus spaghetti pasta. I'm making it for my guests, so we're gonna make it together, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Andiamo? Hi, my name is Tatiana Vinci. I'm from Sicily, a part of Italy where the best food originates, if you know what I mean. Since I came to LA, people are always asking me how to make many of my recipes. So I decided to show you some of my favorites, like my grandma taught me. Buonissima. Today, I'm Tatiana the Garlic Head. Let's go and cook together. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. Capito? Ciao! Ciao! Today we're gonna make together this beautiful pasta with pistachio and shrimp and asparagus, okay? The pasta that I use today, it will be gluten-free rummo pasta because I'm gluten-free and I wanna make sure my guests will not taste any difference of pasta. So this is very similar to a regular pasta and it's so delicious. Yeah, let's start. I just put pasta in here, so while that boiled and will be ready, I'm gonna add some olive oil on my garlic. Okay, and I'm gonna saute the asparagus right away. Here we go. Okay, so that's a light, yes. I'm gonna saute this, and then I'm gonna add the shrimp. Okay, this has to wait. You know, once it's sauteed, I'm gonna add the shrimp. So I'm sauteing the asparagus, 5 minutes, then I'm gonna add all the shrimps. In reality, I like to have the mini shrimps, the little ones, but I couldn't find them, okay? So I had to make the plate with these ones. So, which is, you know, still good. Why not? I'm gonna try everything new on video. So once I sauteed this both, and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut them actually. Why not? Since I didn't find them, I can cut them a little bit and make them little pieces instead of big ones. So the beauty of this kind of pan is because they don't get scratched, so I can do the cutting in here. So yeah, and that's gonna be a delicious pasta, pistachio and shrimp and asparagus. And that's a delicious, so it's good. So I'm gonna saute. Very nice. And maybe I'm gonna add a tiny bit of olive oil, yeah, because tiny bit. Okay, so when the shrimps are pink, means they're cooked. A little bit, a little bit. So then I'm gonna add pistachio and a little bit of broth water, so it's not too dry. Okay, so that's how it should be, my friend. So it becomes a little creamy with no cream. And this is so good. Look at this pasta. Oh, mamma mia. Pasta, look at this beautiful sauce. So it's creamy, but it's not creamy. No cream. And it's already ready. Let's do it. Okay. So, I'm gonna make it this pasta. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that I have the right tools in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna add the pasta in here. and mix. This is so delicious. So, and buona la pasta italiana, siciliana al pistacchio, ragazzi. Mamma mia, com'è buona questa. Uff. Ok, enjoy. Buon appetito. We say in Italy. Anyway, okay, so buonissima. Mix it very well e mangia very well. Okay, it's ready to be served. No cheese needed, no nothing, nah, cheese not needed, it's fine without the cheese. So, buona pasta al pistacchio con gamberetti, gamberoni anzi. And here we are, we just finished this delicious pasta, pistachio and shrimp with asparagus. Mamma mia ragazzi, mangia, buonissima. See you next time, ciao. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Did you do that? Did you do that? Yet? No? No?